Hi and welcome to another picoAUDIO Getting Started video. In order to utilize our picoAUDIO board, we first need to make some simple preparations. This video will guide you on the necessary steps to install the associated libraries required for successful compilation of the picoAUDIO example files. A list of required libraries can be found on the online Getting Started page. First, we need to open each library's associated GitHub page and download a zip file containing the library source code. The downloaded location of your library files may differ depending on your computer setup and operating system. Once your downloads are completed, open your download folder and ensure that you have the 4 associated library files. Next, we want to open Arduino Studio and install each of the libraries. We do this by opening the Sketch menu, clicking on the Include Library submenu, and finally clicking on the Add Zip Library option. A dialog box will open to allow you to select the zip file for the associated library, find the directory where you downloaded your files, and install each of the required libraries from the downloaded zip files. The installation process for the Tiny Pico Helper library will be slightly different. We first want to open the zip file. We're going to install that zip file into your Arduino library directory. We can find that directory by opening the Preferences and looking at the sketchbook location. We open that sketchbook location, and here we can find the library directory. We're going to copy the Tiny Pico Helper library from the zip file into our Arduino development environment's library directory. Now that we have completed installing the required libraries, we should find a series of example programs for the picoAUDIO board in the Arduino Studio examples menu. Next, we're going to open the MP3 SD card example application and compile that to ensure that all the libraries have been installed correctly. During compilation, you may receive a warning message from the Liquid Crystal LCD library. This is nothing to worry about. It's just letting you know that the library was designed for a different architecture than the ESP32, though it runs fine on this platform. As we can see, the compilation process is progressing well, and the application is compiled successfully. We're ready to move on to the next step and make our picoAUDIO board make some noise.